Has someone been lying to you? Let's make a justice and exposure shaker jar so we can get them to come forward. I'm going to add some cloves, it's going to drive out deceit and command clarity in speech. Rosemary is going to burn through manipulation and false charm. Bay leaf, going to force that on in there to force confession and expose secrets, pushing it in. Peppermint, just a little bit to disrupt mental fog and false confidence. And then we're going to go real heavy with these red pepper flakes. We want them to burn. I want to add that heat and urgency. It's going to agitate guilt and make lies impossible to hold. Once we're done, a little bit more. Once we're done doing that, we're going to add in some amethyst, going to clear emotional deception and protect your own energy. Some clear quartz is going to amplify the intent to expose the truth, and some salt just for some sting. Next, you need pen and paper. Make sure it's pen. You're going to write, your lies choke you, your truth betrays you, your mask falls. Then we're going to put the cork on and give it a good shake anytime you feel like someone's lying to you. Store it in the dark when you're not using it and recharge in the sunlight to strengthen. So mote it be.